Assalamu Alalaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your Windows terminal like this one. Yeah, this one. So I have used Oh My Posh to customize Windows terminal. If you don't have the Windows terminal, you have to go to the store, and from there you have to search Windows terminal or just terminal. Here we go. We have two, but you can just use this one. After installing, you will see the open button, and from there you can open this. So let's start downloading the Oh My Posh or using the Oh My Posh to customize our terminal. Just go Oh My Posh or search Oh My Posh, then go to this site, and here get started. You will have this documentation. Here what I have to do, if you are using Windows, currently I'm in Windows, so you have to, I'm showing for Windows. So I have opened this document. Here I'm selecting PowerShell. As you can see, oops, not this one, my terminal by default using PowerShell. So what it says, you have to install this one. Okay, you have to install this one. So you have to just copy this one and open the terminal and then enter this. This will install Oh My Posh to your current user with this current scope. Okay, so I'm just skipping this one. You have to install, and wait a bit for installation process. Then you have to set the path, and you have to again copy this code, and here you have to paste and then again run. This will update your Oh My Posh module. Then you have to copy this one. You have to run again this one. I'm skipping that, and also you have to do this. So after installing or updating the Oh My Posh, you can use Oh My Posh as a command and its child commands. So I'm printing that which shell I'm using. Currently I'm using PowerShell, that's why it's showing PowerShell. So after doing this, you have to copy this one, then also run here. Then it will show you empty file like this. You have to just paste this text. I will put this in the description. From there you can just copy and paste it here. Then you have to save it. After saving, you have to restart the terminal, I guess. So then one thing I missed or skipped, that is, first time you for the first time you have installed the Oh My Posh, you have to open the terminal by closing first and then again restart the terminal. That time Oh My Posh command will run. So now you can see I have the customization, and then what we have to do, you can change the themes. So what themes you will use, just to change, in order to change the themes, you can use some commands. Yeah, you can see You have to just type this command and then press enter. You will get various themes for your terminal. Let's say I want to use which one? Say I want to use this bubbles, or not this one. Let's say this one, which is clean details. You have to just copy and then go to that file and then replace the theme name with your copied one. So I have saved it, minimize this one, and here we go. In the new terminal or PowerShell, we will have the update theme. So this is how you can customize your terminal or PowerShell, I guess, and it will work inshallah. And that's all about. Thank you very much.